We are playing Ghost Train by Corey, of course. And I'm trying to outrun the Ghost Train. No, 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 no. Oh, no, 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 no. This is Sparta. Oh, I'm gonna die. It's gonna crush me, I can tell. It's gonna crush the F out of me. Go, 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 go. Backflip time. Wow. Keep on going, keep on going, keep on going. Even out, even out, even out, even out, even out, even out. Crash through the glass, crash through the glass. Go, 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 the train's behind me. Well, I actually haven't seen the train, this is the thing right now. I got stuck back there. Let's sit right here for a second. Oh my god. No! I fell in a canyon. Oh, I'm gonna get crushed. Son! We're gonna die, son. I mean it.
No!
Son, you sound like a bitch. I believe Steve got killed. Oh, it's gonna crush me. It's gonna... Oh god. Oh god. That's playthrough 1. You guys might leave in the comments. Oh, you can just hit exit R. I can't. It's a Mac. It doesn't let you. Well, you gotta enable an option in the setting. You gotta enable an option. It's just a hassle because then you gotta like edit it back too. It just takes time. It's kind of annoying. Go, 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 go. Wait, 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 wait. No, no. That's it right. That's it right there. I'm pedaling backwards, so I'm like braking. We the quitting. So do you notice no damage taken. So it's like scratch that. It stabbed me in the head, didn't it? Son, go. Live your life free. Son, go. Son. Combat roll, sons. Combat roll. No.
No!
I think I'm still alive. I'm not for sure. Yeah, I'm still alive. Son. Son. No. Son, did your head break in? No, but it looks like your arm did. And your leg. And your stomach. That was playthrough 2. Just gruesome. Okay, we're gonna try to get on the train this time. Just wait a second. And go now. My name is Aaron. Right here's probably the safest place. It's funner to get on other places, but this is probably goodbye. Backflip. Hobo. Leave.
Oh, God!
You're still alive? I'm still alive. Sun is dead. I hit Z and this is what happened. Bye, Cano. Bye, don't betray me. It was really boring. Oh yeah, we're crashing. Or not, we're... The little weird-eyed hillbilly up there didn't get killed yet. Hobo, Steve, or Joe, or... You know what? I might start a Pokemon series. So... the original Game Boy. Tell me which one to start. I really don't want to play Red and Blue. It's already done, so I'm kind of stuck on it. I'm kind of in the middle of them both. So, you know. Oh god. Okay, let's get one more go. Video over. For none of my loyal fans out there. No, 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 I don't want to go in, I don't want to go in, don't want to go in. Don't want to go in. Not in that either, not in this.
Damn.
Sun died. My name is Kiki and his name is Fifi. I have honestly no idea where I just got that from. And hopefully I did not make that up, because then I'd be very ashamed of myself if I did. And I guess I saw them and that just came to my mind. I really hope I did not make that up. Yeah, I think I just exploded. Fat black dude. Fat black dude, come here. I am falling in between the crap right there. And apparently I'm gonna get buried. How is he still holding on? He's like, it's like a stiff arm. My head just exploded. Yep, it did. Bye. I'll probably like this level. I'm leaning more towards a 5.